The charger shows green light when it stops charging. Either the battery is full or there's something wrong with it. Let's check the battery of this cordless drill. I just hope it will be an easy fix, like a loose connection. There are 5 18650 cells in series. Let's check the voltage of each. There's one that's way beyond its lowest good voltage. 18650 cells should be at least at 3 volts. It has 1300 milliamp hour of power. Let's replace that cell. Must be with the same milliamp hour. Let's connect it with my DIY spot welder. Since it's in series, the total voltage should be equal to the sum of its cells. Let's try if it will charge now. Now that it's charging, let's put it back and try it with the power tool. It works. Guess that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. If you find this helpful, share it to a friend. If you have questions, you may leave them in the comments down below.